Hey guys, so today we're going to be making a slip knot. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your wool and you're going to wrap your wool around your fingers to make an X. Now you're going to put your thumb on top of the X and pull the loop up over your fingers. So I'll just show you that again. You take your wool, you wrap it around your fingers to make an X, and you hold onto that X with your thumb. Now you'll pull the loop over your fingers, and I'll just show you that you can see you've got the loop and you've got the X. Now hold onto that X again and take your back tail of wool and pull it down behind your loop. So you now have a line going behind your loop. So what I want you to do is grab that line, and now you can let go of the X. So if you now take the two tails, hold onto them both and give them a tug, pull them down, and there you have a slip knot. So we'll take it out and show you again. This time we're going to go a little faster. So you wrap it around your fingers to make an X. You hold onto your X and you pull your loop over your fingers. Now you take your back tail, you'll pull it down behind your loop to make a line. You grab that line, let go of your X, and pull down on the two tails. And there you have your slip knot. Easy as that. So now what you can do is hold onto the knot, and if you want to make your loop bigger, all you do is give a little tug on the string, there it is, and that'll make your loop bigger. Now if you want to make your loop smaller, all you do is grab your tail and pull down on it, and that'll make your loop smaller. So whether you're knitting or crocheting, you just put your hook or your needle in and pull down on the tail to make it tight. Now if you want to make it big again, you just grab onto the knot and give a little tug on your hook, and there you go, there's your perfect slip knot.